Say hi, Cinnamon. Hi, Cinnamon. Say hello. Hello to the people from Cinnamon. It's our living room. Butch's Texas man cave. Butch's chair. He loves the chair. And let's see. Down the hall. Over to the beach. TV, the new TV. And back where we started.